What up, guys? It's Big Gorilla Gang Entertainment back with another video. Today, what we got for you today in the store, it's finally here. It's finally here. A day is here to where I put on my rear diffuser on my charger. So I'm gonna get to that today. But yeah, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. All right, guys. We're about to start with this install today. I got the parts and everything right here. So what we'll need is a drill. And I'm not sure what size drill bit yet, but we will need like a drill bit in here to probably drill the new hose into the new rear diffuser. All right, the first one here. First thing we have to do, we have to take off these notches here. And then undo these 4 screws here. You can do them. That 7mm socket. Get those 4 screws out. So come to the bottom here. Make sure you dump all this rocks and junk and stuff from under here before you put your face on there and get into it. Get all them rocks and all those things from under there before you pull this thing off. Then we're gonna come here from the top and just give it a big little yank. Alright, now once you got the second one off, the old one off, you want to line them up a little bit just so you can try to match the dots. And this is where the drill part comes in. So what I want to do is I'm gonna line it up and hit the drill like right there. See that little knot right there? I'll match up to where it's like that. So these here can go back inside there and hold it in place. So let me get to that. Hoses, kind of accurate. So they already had like where you, the thing where it was easy for you to know where the drill at. So I just went ahead and just did it. So now, once this is done, we can go ahead and install it. got all of them snapped in place. Now I'm about to put the screws back on them. Kind of messed up for rushing it, cracked it. But other than that, it's looking good. All right, and if that video was helpful for you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see anything else, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If that helps you, help you put that on your rear diffuser on your charger, then let me know. Let me know anything you want me to add. Just keep me posted on what you guys want to see. Because like I said, I got a lot of stuff coming for this car. If you're new to this channel, like I said, make sure you guys comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, so help me out with that. Be a part of this guerrilla gang, man. Be a part of the movement. But yeah, let's get it, man. Peace.